Seriously, if one of these doesn't do it for you, then it doesn't exist. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I'm about to show you 7 awesome ideas. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. I am so glad that you are here. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate you choosing to spend a portion of your day with me. Y'all could be doing anything else, but you're watching me and I am so appreciative. Thank you. Y'all, it's just so stinking cute, and it's one of those fabulous ideas that we made during our note card stationery series that lasted for about a week. And I think I shared with you guys some really cool ways to make box stationery sets as well as stand-up stationery sets. So what I'm going to do today is something that a lot of you have been asking me to do, and that is when I do a series, I'm going to do a recap video, and that recap video will have each individual video listed in the description box. So when you're looking for something in particular, you can go to this recap video and find the one that you're looking for. So please make sure that you bookmark this so that you'll be able to easily access what I'm about to show you, because I'm going to show you 7 awesome projects. You might have seen one, you might have seen 2, maybe you've seen all of them. But if you haven't seen all of them, stick around for this video because I think you're going to enjoy some of the ideas that I share. And for those of you who are doing craft fairs, watch this video because there are going to be some fabulous ideas in it for you as well. So I'll show you these one by one, and then I'll flip to the overhead camera to give you a closer look at each one of them. So this really was a desktop little stationery set. In it we had a tearaway notepad that we made, and then we had some beautiful note cards that we made to go along with it. It's approximately 7 by 3, but it is a really nice size piece. It was super easy to make, and you know what else? We made it using one of those Dollar Tree large tags that they sell in the seasonal section. You can see it on the back because I didn't cover the back. We just used that, and it really is like chipboard. Then we have a video on this beautiful little box note card set with an acetate lid. I'll give you a closer look at it in a minute. Then we have another beautiful box note card set with an acetate lid. See something you like yet? If you do and you haven't watched any of these videos, y'all please check them out. Then we have this beautiful flip top, and it stands on its own like that. Y'all, it is just so gorgeous. I think you're going to love it. Closer look coming. Then we have the small 3 by 3. Opens like this. Slides on like that. And y'all, most of these are non-chipboard required, so that'll make it even better for you. Then we have this one. It was just a standard note card box with the cards. Closing with a magnetic closure. And then we have what I think is my favorite out of the group, and this is a flip top as well, but it started out as just a writing box for stationery pieces. Then we added to it and made it even better. Magnetic closure. Let's flip to the overhead so I can give you a closer look at these. So here is the one that I showed you in the opener. You can see just how gorgeous this is. I'll give you a closer look at these little note cards that we made, as well as a chipboard backed tearaway notepad. And by tearaway, I simply mean that you can just remove that piece and move on to the next sheet. Then we had a 5 by 5 box with an acetate lid, and we made some little note cards and envelopes as well. Just basic note cards and envelopes, but so easy to do. And our acetate lid just goes on the inside. It's raised to give it that elevated boutique-y look. Then we have this one. These are some A2 size cards, and they are cards with envelopes. So we made our own envelopes. Very, very easy to do. And then on this one, we made a nice section box. No chipboard was required on this one. And in it, we covered a 4 by 6 notepad. It has its own section. We added some 3 by 3 note cards. They have their own section. And then we added envelopes for the 3 by 3 note cards and a section for pens or pencils. And again, we have a beautiful acetate lid. And this time we adhered the acetate lid together using brads. So it goes on the outside of the box and not on the inside. Then we have our little 3x3 note card set. Very, very basic, just some beautiful paper for the envelope as well as the note cards. This too, I believe, would make a great craft fair seller. One thing I remember from my craft fair days is when you personalize something with a monogram, people love it. And then we have that flip top box. It too holds A2 size cards. Y'all, it stands on its own like this. Absolutely gorgeous. And we made cards and envelopes in that video. So all of these things that I'm showing you, y'all, these are full tutorials. I'm going to walk you through the steps of each one on how you can actually make something like this. And as we're going into the holiday season, it's July, Christmas in 5 months. As we're going into the holiday season, you can pick some beautiful paper and turn this into a Christmas gift that someone will love. And then finally, my favorite, I believe that this was an 8x8. And when I started it, we simply had the writing paper on the inside. Then we came back and decided to cover a notebook and create some little note cards. Now, I didn't make any envelopes for this because all the other videos that I made in this series have envelopes. So if you're looking for an envelope that you want to add in here, just watch one of the other videos. Perfect envelope instructions in there. But I did make these little raspberry colored note cards here. And y'all, this just gives us a beautiful set. And it is very easy to do because, again, I'm going to walk you through the steps in a tutorial on how to make this beautiful set. And of course, that magnetic closure snap. So I'm not going to put everything back on my desk because I won't be able to get it all into view, but 7 awesome ways to make note cards of different sizes along with boxes. So when you make these, they are gift ready. They are sell ready. So check the description box. I will have each tutorial linked in the description box so that in one convenient place, you can find whichever one of these was your favorite. I hope they all were. So thank you for being here today. I hope that you enjoyed this little recap of what we made in our stationery note card series. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, you know what? I think today is the day that you're probably going to want to subscribe. And if you do, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I upload a new video. As always, my friends, y'all, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.